Okay, I'm redoing one of my videos and doing a quick disassembly of a Ruger LCP. This is a 380, and before my video didn't turn out so well apparently because of the background. So I want to see if I can redo it and make it proper. Make sure the gun is free and clear. Pull out this pin carefully with a screwdriver as not to mar up the slide. Slide the slide off of the frame. Then you have the recoil spring. You're going to compress this with your thumb. This is a double spring recoil spring. And you can see that the end of it is flared out a little bit more than the other end. So set that aside. Now to remove the barrel, slide forward, pick up, lift out. Okay, now to reassemble. Take the barrel, stick it in the front of the slide, and then slide it back till it locks into place. Take the recoil spring with the open end of the spring first, stick it in the front of the slide. This will sit on this little edge right here on the inside, on the bottom side of the barrel, and it's almost horizontal with the slide. Take and stick the frame in the back of the slide. Take the pin, stick the pin in here. Till it pops into place. And that's it.